Yeah, in this video, I will, I'm going to show how to install HTML email signature online Outlook. Okay, just settings, under the Outlook settings, all view all Outlook settings button. Click here. Okay, then email, under the email, click the compose and ready reply. Compose and reply. Okay, click here. You got an interface. Already I say test. Just open your HTML file and Ctrl plus A or select A, all select A, all select, and Ctrl plus C or copy. Then go to your Outlook interface and paste here. Okay, you need to know that must use HTML format. Okay, and both are tick mark. Then save change button and click the new button. Yeah, now it is going to show as a email signature. Just hi NK Frank, hi Frank. Okay, this is a demo mail. Just send. Okay, this is the process to install HTML email signature on online Outlook.